Hi and welcome to Low Carb Cocktails. I'm Frank, the Low Carb Cocktail Guy. It's good to be back. I haven't put any content out in a few months, and just from the summer to the holidays, everything's just been binding me up. And I do appreciate a lot of you guys who've checked in on me, sent me messages, good wishes, and things like that. I really appreciate you. It means a lot to me. Really does. Thank you so much. But 2024 is here, and I got a fire under my ass to get some content out for you guys. And I'm gonna be doing a lot of reshoots of some older videos where either it was some poor video quality, poor audio quality, or even some wrong information. So this one, we're gonna be going back to some mules, Moscow mules to be specific. And we're gonna be going back to that specific cocktail because it was a shitty video. We'll be using Gosling's Diet Ginger Beer. There's no carbs in it. I've tried a bunch of the other ginger beers, and this is the one I like the most. It's a little spicier than some of the other ones, not as sweet as some of the other ones I found. It's one of my first ones. So we're gonna be redoing the Moscow Mule today. It's super easy to do, low carb. As a matter of fact, we're gonna make this one today with a big fat 0 carbs. 0 carbs in this Moscow Mule. So it's super easy. You build it in your cup. You don't do a whole lot of shit to it. So you're gonna start with a copper mug or a double old-fashioned glass, whatever you got. So here we're gonna be adding 2 ounces of vodka. All right. We go with Sugar Fields. Love me some Sugar Fields. Local distillery here in South Louisiana. We're gonna go with 2 ounces of our vodka. And what's gonna make this 0 carb, oh, and I didn't mention, no, I did not put ice in here. And there's a reason for that. If you put ice in here, it starts diluting a lot faster when you put ice in it to begin with, rather than if you build all the ingredients in first and add ice and stir later. So 2 ounces of our vodka. Use your favorite vodka. I happen to like Sugar Fields. And next, some lime Oleo Citrate. This is what I use in place of a lime juice. So basically what you do is you make something called super juice and don't put the juice back in. I'll put a link to the video at the end of this one so you can check out how to make this. And I did a taste test with some friends of mine and they actually preferred this over fresh lime juice. Weird, but yes, that was a thing. And it has 0 carbs. We're gonna go with 1 ounce of our lime Oleo Citrate. And if you use a fresh lime juice, it's just gonna be 2 net carbs. But we're going with the big Skiro. And next is the ginger beer. Everybody says, top with ginger beer. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't top with ginger beer. The problem is, this mug might be a different size from your next glass. Might be a different size from your next one. This one might be 10 ounces, one might be 12, one might be 8. And if you're topping, you're gonna have a different flavor every time. Your balance will be off. So we want to measure our ginger beer, and that's gonna be 4 ounces. 2 and 4. Now we'll add some ice. And by putting all the ingredients in before the ice, they start to kind of blend together a little bit better. But again, take a spoon and kind of treat it as a swizzle stick, kind of turn it left and right, up and down. Incorporate all that ginger beer all the way to the bottom, bring that vodka to the top. Get a really well-balanced cocktail. And for garnish, we're gonna do a simple lime wedge. Boom, Moscow Mule. 3 ingredients: vodka, lime juice, ginger beer. That's it. Damn tasty drink. It's an amazing drink. Super simple. And this has 0 carbs. So if you like the content I'm putting out, please leave a comment below. Let me know what you think of these videos. If you'd like to see something specific, a specific cocktail, specific mixing ingredient, things like that, okay, drop it in the comments and I'll see what I can do to make it. Like I had somebody ask about Midori. I'm working on Midori. We'll see how that comes out, but I'm still tweaking it. It's not quite where I want it to be. Yeah. a melon liqueur. It's not quite where I want it to be, but we'll see. We'll see. We're still working on that one. But if there's something you'd like to see me do, go ahead and leave a comment below. Share my videos, like my videos, do all the things the YouTube algorithm tells you to do, because that lets YouTube know you like me. Yeah. If you do, and if you don't like me, leave that in the comments too. So that's it for me, guys. Y'all have a great day. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.